Is your Mastercard gift card giving you a headache instead of the shopping spree you were hoping for? Let's fix that. First things first, activation. Many gift cards need to be activated before you can use them, and this is usually done online or through a phone call. Look for instructions on the back of your card or the packaging. There will typically be a website or a phone number to call, and follow their steps to properly activate the gift card. Insufficient funds is a common issue sometimes. Even if you think there's money on the card, there might not be enough to cover your purchase. Especially if there are fees involved that have already taken some off the balance. Double-check the card balance online using the website provided on the card or its packaging, or by calling customer service. Mistyping your card number, expiration date, or security code is easily done and can obviously prevent a transaction from going through. Always double, triple, check these details carefully when entering them online or giving them to a cashier. If you've checked everything and your card still isn't working, contact the card issuer's customer service immediately. The phone number should be on the back of the card. They can look into specifics, explain why your card isn't working, and hopefully get things sorted out for you. Finally, make sure you're using your gift card correctly for online versus in-person purchases. For online transactions, you almost always need to register the card with a billing address that matches your own for the use in person. Informing the cashier it's a gift card can often resolve most issues without needing to panic.